Welcome back, my friends, with fall just around the corner. Ugh. We all know what that means. Don't get me wrong, I do love fall. I just don't like what comes after it. I'm Annette Marble. I'm with Q Realty. Let's talk about how to make buyers fall for your house this fall if you're thinking about selling. Let's take advantage of the fall scents. Fall is the season with some of the best scents. Getting a perfect scent in your home can be tricky, and we want to make sure that we're going to avoid any spraying of Febreeze everywhere because it just smells like you're trying to cover something up, and we do not want that. So instead, invest in some great smelling fall candles. Bath & Body has tons of scents that leaves your house smelling delicious. Other great ways to create is an inviting fall scent is by taking chocolate chip cookies and making them and or a pumpkin pie. You can also make a homemade potpourri on the stove with some cinnamon and cloves. Don't mix too many scents. Try to stick to one per showing or open house. When you have too many scents, it can give an overwhelm and people can get a headache, especially me. I can always tell when someone's over smelling it. You can't go wrong with any of these, and pick one. So pick one of your favorites that you like and use that one. Stick with warm, cozy vibes over festive Halloween when it comes to home decor. If you're listing your home in October, you might want to skip going all out for the festive holiday decor. Potential buyers might have a hard time seeing past the fake skeletons, the tombstones decor when they look at your house. Instead, stick with warm, cozy vibes when it comes to fall decor. All you need are a variety of pumpkins, white, orange, green, that look really pretty together, and some gourds, some corn stalk, and a lot of colorful mums. You can find all these items at your local home improvement or gardening store. You don't have to have a favorite place to shop for fall decor. If you do, comment below and share this video with everyone. Help buyers imagine themselves living in your home. This goes for any season, but it's important to strike a balance between lived in and put together. Remove items such as gallery walls of family photos, but not to the point where it looks like no one lives in your home. Keep a throw on the couch, a book out on the coffee table, and a candle burning in the kitchen. Selling in the fall means selling during football season. If you have a showing while there's a football game on, turn the TV on and keep the game on for the showing. If you have a gas fireplace, turn that on for the showings as well, as long as it's not left on too long. It will keep and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. So thanks for tuning in, and come back for some more tips. If this is the first time to our channel, you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good, the bad of living in and around Columbus, Ohio, or just want some real estate tips on how to market and sell your home, please tap that bell, subscribe to my channel, and we'll get you the notification so you can be the first to know what is going on in the real estate market in Columbus, Ohio. Like my videos, give me a thumbs up, and give us a call if you're ready to make that smooth move in or out of Columbus. And don't forget, we're in and around Columbus, Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.